Hello friends, in the series on the income tax cases, today we will discuss a very important case which is based on the importance of approvals by the Additional Commissioner in the cases of search. It has been seen that in the search cases, in number of the cases which is lost by the revenue only due to the mechanical approvals by the Additional Commissioner. On the pursual of section 153D, it becomes very clear that the mandate of section 153D is that the approval should be given by the Additional Commissioner assessee wise and assessment year wise. So in case where the Additional Commissioner gives the approval for 11 cases for 6 years in a one approval, so whether in that case it can be said that it is a valid approval as per the mandate of section 153D. This issue has been taken up by Delhi ITAT A bench in the case of Tish Consultants Private Limited versus Deputy Commissioner of Income Tax. This case relates to the assessment year 16-17 and 18-19. In the present case, there was a search on S and S group companies. Accordingly, the assessment of the assessee was completed under section 153A and the assessee was before the tribunal for the assessment year 16-17 and for the assessment year 18-19. When this matter was before the CAT appeal, it was the plea of the assessee that in the present case, the assessment should be quashed because the approval given by the Additional Commissioner under section 153D is mechanical and the assessee was heavily relying on the judgment of Principal Commissioner of Income Tax versus Siddharth Gupta, which is of 2023 judgment and which is reported in 450 ITR at page number 534. But in spite of commenting on this case, the Commissioner of Income Tax rejected the appeal of the assessee and relied on the judgment of Chhattisgarh High Court in the case of Hitesh Golcha versus Assistant Commissioner of Income Tax, which is dated 10th April 2024, and said that there could not be any presumption as to the non-application of mine by the Additional Commissioner while granting the approval under section 153D. So the assessee challenged this order in the Delhi ITAT, and when this matter was heard by the tribunal said that in the present case, the reliance of the Commissioner of Income Tax appeals in the case of Chhattisgarh High Court is against the principles of interpretation, against the precedents, and in the present case, from the approval, it is very clear that the approval by the Additional Commissioner has been given in 11 cases and for the assessment years 2012-13 to 2018-19. So in the present case, it cannot be said that the Additional Commissioner has gone through the draft assessment orders of each year, because the mandate of the law is that the assessing officer has to present the draft assessment order of each year to the Additional Commissioner for his approval. So from the facts of the case, it becomes very clear that whatever the approval has been given in the present case is just for formality. It is a signature type approval, and so any approval which is for multiple assessees and for multiple assessment years cannot be as per the mandate of section 153D. Friends, this is a very classic case of mechanical approval, and in case of such cases, it has been seen that the revenue is losing a number of the cases because of the mechanical approvals, but in spite of losing of so many cases, a number of the cases still comes in which the approval is very mechanical. The approval should be given by the Additional Commissioner by going through the assessment records, by going through the draft assessment order, by going through the submissions of the assessee and all the searched material which is before him. But generally it is seen that the approvals are given in a single day for a number of cases, So before contesting the search cases, it is very necessary that the approval given by the additional commissioner should be in the hands of the assessee who is contesting this case of the search cases. At the end of this video, once again I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Tish Consultants Private Limited versus Deputy Commissioner of Income Tax, and this case is reported in 125 ITR Tribunal, short notes 22, and the date of the judgment is 16th June 2025. Thank you, friends.